Okay guys, I want to introduce you to a software program called X Mouse Button Control. This can be found on the website www.highres.co.uk. Now, Microsoft and Logitech Mouse come with software that will actually allow you to set up customize the buttons on the mouse to do what you want to do with them. If you don't, however, have a Logitech mouse or a Microsoft mouse, you may be missing this software. So what you can do is download this, which will actually work with any mouse anyway. So you download it by clicking X Mouse Control here on the download site. I've actually installed it and run it, and here it is in my taskbar. So I double click it to bring up the application program. If you press the mouse button, you'll see which mouse button is which on the controller. Like mouse button 4 is my back button on the mouse, mouse button 5 is my forward button on the mouse. Now what we can do is set a particular profile to run when a particular program is running. For this I'll demonstrate Notepad. So we'll just open up any old file for that, and then if we click where it says Application Window Profiles, we click Add and choose the application we want to run. So find it, we'll choose Notepad XE for this. And change the mouse button 4 to say F6. Scroll down until you find simulated keys. Now to do the F6 key, you do a curly brace and capital F and 6 and close your curly brace. We'll leave it as mouse button is pressed. And then mouse button 5, which is my forward, we'll do F9. Scroll down again to simulated keys. Oops, wrong one. And then again do open, curly F9 and close your curly brace. Click OK and click Apply. Now that will only work for that particular application now. If we click on default, we'll see now there's been no changes. We click back on the network log, we'll see that's got the new file in. So close that and close. And that's as easy as it is to actually map a mouse button to particular keystrokes.